The automotive world is full of giants, hulking SUVs and powerful trucks. These behemoths dominate the roads, offering space, power, and a commanding presence. They are the go-to choice for many, especially those with large families or a need for heavy-duty performance. But what if you don't need all that bulk? What if your daily drive doesn't involve towing or off-roading? What if you simply want to get from point A to point B with ease and efficiency? But sometimes, you just need something nimble, something efficient, something compact. In the hustle and bustle of city life, a smaller vehicle can be a game changer. It can slip through tight spaces, park in spots that larger vehicles can only dream of, and offer a driving experience that's both fun and stress-free. Enter the world of compact cars where less is often more. Enter the Toyota Yaris, a car that has been quietly winning over drivers for years with its blend of practicality, affordability, and, dare I say, charm. The Yaris isn't just another small car, it's a statement that good things come in small packages. With its sleek design and modern aesthetics, it stands out in the crowd, proving that you don't need to be big to make a big impression. Don't let its size fool you. This little hatchback packs a punch when it comes to features and value. Inside, you'll find a surprisingly spacious cabin, equipped with the latest technology and comfort features. From its intuitive dashboard controls to its plush seating, the Yaris ensures that every journey is a pleasant one. It's a car designed with the driver in mind, offering a seamless blend of functionality and style. Over the years, the Yaris has become synonymous with reliability and fuel efficiency, two qualities that resonate with a wide range of drivers. Its fuel-sipping engine means fewer stops at the gas station, saving you time and money. And with Toyota's renowned reliability, you can trust that the Yaris will be a faithful companion for years to come. It's a car that delivers on its promises, day in and day out. Whether you're a student navigating a college campus or a city dweller zipping through traffic, the Yaris offers a compelling package. Its compact size makes it perfect for tight parking spots and crowded streets, while its agile handling ensures a smooth and responsive drive. For those who value convenience and efficiency, the Yaris is a perfect match. But what is it about this compact car that makes it so appealing? Is it the blend of practicality and style, the promise of reliability and efficiency? Or perhaps it's the way the Yaris effortlessly fits into your lifestyle, adapting to your needs and preferences? Whatever the reason, there's no denying that the Yaris has carved out a special place in the hearts of many drivers. Let's delve into the details and find out. From its innovative features to its impressive performance, we'll explore what makes the Toyota Yaris a standout choice in the world of compact cars. So buckle up and join us on this journey as we uncover the secrets behind this compact contender.